I'm going to show you how to remove or delete apps that are running in the background with your iPhone 8. Pretty sure you can do this same thing with your 6 and 7. Here's what you do. You want to double click your start button here. And these are all the things that are running that are in the background. And what you can do, you just scroll to the one you want and just take your thumb and move it up and just swap it off the screen. It's real simple to do. Or you can take 2 fingers and do 2 at a time. So you can just swap 2 of them up at a time if you want to. I was trying to figure out a way to where you can delete them all at one time, but with this iPhone 8, I don't know how to do that. If anybody know, let me know. Leave a comment. But you can do 1 at a time or you both at a time. And that's it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.